Hey guys, for all the details on this blonde highlighted short bob wig from LuvMe Hair, make sure to keep watching.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into yet another LuvMe Hair unit. So here is the unit I am going to be reviewing today, highlighted up. She is absolutely gorgeous. So I want to start off with just giving you all the specs of this unit. Then I'll show you the unboxing, everything that came along with this unit. So I did not co-wash or anything. This is just it straight out of the box. I'll go ahead and install and then provide you with my pros and cons. So let's get into the specs of this unit. So again, this unit was sent from LuvMe Hair. It is their blonde highlighted short layered bob wig. It is a glueless unit. It has a 5x5 closure, pre-cut lace, and it has a cap that will fit all head sizes. This unit is 10 inches long. Price is $113.92. Plus, you know, I have you covered with the promo code, which is SNH28, 28% off. This unit is 150% density, 100% human hair. The color is a brown and blonde highlight. Comes with a middle part, but again, this is a 5x5 closure. So yes, you can change the part to like a left side part, right side part, C-shaped part, whatever part you would like. The cap size will fit 19 inches all the way up to 23 inches. Can it be dyed? Yes, but bleaching is not recommended. The hairline comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. So yeah, that is the specs of this unit. So let me go ahead and show you everything that came in the box with this unit. So of course we have the letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox to love and shine bright. We also have the purple mesh bag to store our unit that has the drawstring top, some little Velcro strips, a wig box label, a purple LuvMe Hair clip, a purple LuvMe beauty blender, a pack of HD wig caps, and a little pamphlet with a thank you letter, how to care for the hair, the return policy, wig care tips, all of that good stuff. All right, now as far as the construction on this unit, as you saw, the lace is pre-cut off. It is a 5x5 closure. We have no combs here in the front. Now this is an all-day comfort wig. They do not have combs in the front, but we do have a comb right here in the back. Also have the elastic band. We have the C-shaped ear tabs here on the side for easy comfort. And then right here in the back is the all-day comfort technology here. So just trying to separate out the hair. So back here in the back, we have 3 hooks. So let me just unhook it. So together. All right, so we have 3 sets of clips. So the largest one is going to be for a large head size, medium for a medium cap size, and then this one closest to the actual hair is going to be for a small cap size. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this to the small cap size. And as you can see, I have on a nude wig cap, so I'm just going to go ahead and start by installing. First things first, we are going to put the elastic band around the back of our head. So I'll turn around so you can see. All right, so now that that is secure, I'm going to bring the unit down over that elastic band. And my hair is just like in a ponytail here in the back of my head, so it is going to be a little bumpy back here. But I'm inserting this comb right over that elastic band. All right, so everything is laying nice and flat here in the back. Turn around. And we don't have any combs here to install in the front. So I'm just going to adjust the unit so that those C-shaped ear tabs are right around my ears. All right, so now that we have the unit on, I'm going to go ahead and jump into a voiceover so I can style this unit up. Need to flat iron it out just a little bit and then do something about this lace. So go ahead and just keep watching. All right, guys, so for this unit, I am going to spray it down. Of course, you can wear it glueless. I'm starting off by putting my LuvMe Hair elastic band around my neck and Velcroing it in the back. I'm also taking my Sebastian Hair Shaper spray, which is a light holding spray, and spraying that directly on the lace. Now I'm moving up that LuvMe Hair elastic band to let it rest while I style this unit. Now the hair was curled pretty tightly, just straight out of the box, but that's not the look that I wanted to go for. So I am clipping the hair out of the way and bringing down layers of the hair. I'm going to run my Bioionic flat iron over the hair just to put a slight bend in the hair. Again, we do not want any kind of church bumps. We want a slight bend into the hair. So again, just taking down layers of the hair and putting a slight bend. Now, once I get to this top layer, I do kind of want a little bit of a feather. So I'm combing the hair up and I'm going to use my flat iron to just like curl the hair backwards, but not necessarily a curl, still just a slight bend. And as you can see, it just lays effortlessly. We don't want a curl. So I did the back and the other side off camera, and this is how it turned out. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just combing through it with my wide tooth comb. And again, we don't want a church bump. So if you see any kind of church bump, just use your flat iron to kind of just loosen that up. Like the right side of my hair right now is curled a little too tight. So again, I'm going to take my flat iron to just run it down and just kind of loosen that curl up. Since this elastic band was resting on the lace for this entire time while I was styling the hair, I'm going to go ahead and remove it now. But as you can see, there is a white cast, so we need to fix that. So I'm going to take my contour powder. This is a dark shade, the shade that I am wearing on my makeup, and I'm going to use a flat brush to just pack that powder into that lace. Not necessarily pack it into the lace, but just kind of dab it into the lace to kind of just tint that lace to match my makeup and my own skin tone. Now for this parting space, I'm going to use some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 with an angled brush and just brush that right there into the parting space. Now the parting space looks pretty good as is, but I do want to just like tint it just a little bit more to make it look more realistic. A quick comb through again, and that is it. That is all for this install. So again, I did spray this unit down. However, that's completely optional. If you just wanted to leave it as is and wear it glueless, then that is totally an option. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see all angles of this gorge unit. So side, back, side again, and front. Now I can still kind of see that white cast, so I'm just going to take some more of that Sebastian Hair Shaper spray and just spray that right into the lace just to kind of moisten it just a little bit to kind of get rid of that demarcation. All right, guys, so that was the install. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. So pro number one for me is the color combination on this unit. This brown highlighted color is absolutely gorgeous. So the roots start off at this dark brown color and then just fade into this beautiful, beautiful highlighted color. Now, I love that this unit comes out of the box already in this cute little cut. Now, we did have to run the flat iron over it because it was a lot of church bumps in it. So we had to loosen those up, but I really like how this came out. So it does not really have any kind of layers, even though it says so. I would say maybe just like a face frame to this, which I just kind of just like use the flat iron to kind of swoop it back. But other than that, it is the same length all over this unit. So let me actually go ahead and turn around again so you can see all angles. So of course the side, here is the back. Now I did flat iron the back off camera, so I have no idea what it even looks like back there. But nice and flat. The cap size is fitting very well. I just love the adjustability with this unit. So we're able to wear this as a large cap, medium cap, and a small cap all in the same unit. So this unit can fit absolutely any head shape and size. Love that. So the hair is extremely soft. It is a silky straight texture. I love that this unit is a 5x5 closure, so yes, we can change that part around if we wanted to. Came as a middle part, so I'm just going to leave it as a middle part, but if you did want to like change it over to a left side part, then you can do that as well. If you wanted to change it to a right side part, then you can do that too. It's really up to you. Got some versatility with this unit, and we love units with versatility. I feel like this was super easy to install. Not a lot to do. I did spray it down just a little bit with some Sebastian hair shaper spray, just because that lace is super duper visible. I'm more so like a 4x4 closure type girl because my hairline is a little wonky and larger lace just really stand out on my head. I did receive a little bit of shedding with this unit. With trying to just like comb out the unit initially, it was tangling towards the ends, and I think it's just because of that church bump, but once I like loosened everything up, everything is nice and smooth. Fingers are just gliding right through it. There is no tangling now, and I would say maybe a few strands of shedding, but not too much. Now this unit is 150% density. For this length, it's only 10 inches, so I think 150% density is just spot on. I'm trying to think. Love that this unit has the new upgraded cap. It is very stretchy. We have the C-shaped ear tabs. We have the adjustability in the back. This is a closure unit. We don't have to worry about ear-to-ear lace. Yes, you can wear this unit glueless. I didn't. I did go ahead and spray it down, but yes, you can wear this unit glueless. Trying to think what else about this unit. I'm not really seeing any negatives on this unit. Because the shedding is really not a big deal. It's like one hair here or there, not really a big deal at all. So I don't think there's any negatives on this unit. I think this is a super duper cute like Easter spring unit. It is just very pretty, the color combination. But I think that's it for this review. I can't really think of anything else left to say, but the hair is very soft. It's bouncy, it's moving, even though we don't have the combs there in the front. The unit is very secure. But yeah, make sure to check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gives you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all next time.